Well, I'm wondering, did anybody else feel the way that I have been feeling lately after Christmas? I guess you can say I probably have the after Christmas wintry blues. Yes, I was sad about taking down my Christmas decor. I was enjoying it so very much. And I'm sure for all of you who put in so much hard work decorating your homes, maybe like most of you, probably did not want to take down those beautiful Christmas decorations. Not unless you had them up at the beginning of November. Then you probably would have been like ready with no regrets. Well, I don't have any regrets. However, I just had to take my time because I was enjoying my Christmas decorations a heck of a lot. So I finally have my Christmas decorations taken down. And I am so perplexed about what to do next. One thing I know that I'm going to do is to start back in my entryway as I usually do. Hello, hi there to my new subscribers, old subscribers, and yet to be subscribers. I'm so glad that you're here. You're hanging out with Brenda Lee, that's me, and I hope you enjoy this
Okay, so
video.
yeah, I am experimenting with my DIY wall art that I did earlier in the year. Trying it over here on my entryway table, and then I have some beautiful pieces that one of my lovely next door neighbors gave me a long time ago. These are some what urns. What this does open up. It's not an urn as in what you would keep ashes in, but decorative urns. This one does not come, the top does not come off. So it's like a finial. I absolutely love them. They have that Tuscan style, which is one of my favorites. And this piece of resistance, oh my goodness. I was hoping that I can use this along with the three-piece set that comes with two chairs and a table, very similar to what I have on my landing. I have two chairs that are specifically corner chairs, and then I have a half round table. So the set that I'm referring to that matches the umbrella stand or magazine stand or whatever it is you want to use it for, that came with two chairs and a half table as well. However, it could not fit on my landing. I wanted to be able to change the color scheme and the look to go with my Christmas decor, but it, it did not fit. It did not fit to the point where I could. It did not fit, so I was not able to do that. I was very disappointed. And she also, my next door neighbor, gave me some gold, no, brass actually. And that's a brass, that's not brass. She gave me some brass wall sconces that are so beautiful, nice and tall, that have a hook on them. And you put a chain in the hook, no, a chain and a bracket that holds two large voters. Oh my gosh. This was such a beautiful ensemble that my neighbor had set up at her home, and I used to admire it every time I would go over there. And I would be like, oh my goodness, I just love how this is all outfitted and it looks fabulous. And she gifted it to me when she was ready to, when she was finished. When she decided that she wanted to create a new look on that wall, she gifted me all those pieces. Bless her heart. Oh my, yes, I was so elated and thought I was going to finally use the furniture pieces, the three-piece set with chair and tables. However, they did not fit the space, so now I don't know what to do with them. And something will, maybe something will come up and I'll be able to use them. I don't know. I'll see. I have to play it by ear. So, okay. Now I am going to use the vase that I already had just to see what look it will give me. And then I will try an all white vase. Oh wow. I have some paper in there. I only have 2 and 2, which is not enough for this neck. The mouth of this vase is too wide just for these minimal amount of stems. So this, I can tell already it's not working. But I'm just trying it out just to see how it will or won't work. I was going to use these on my dining room table at Christmas time, but I changed the whole theme of my dining room. I changed the whole theme of my dining room table scape, so I wasn't able to use them. And I think I may be using them soon. I don't know. Well, I can tell that this doesn't work. I need at least probably 2 more greenery stems. So I will exchange that for a white base and see how I make out with that. I still need some more stems, even though this neck is a whole lot slimmer. And it kind of, sort of works. However, not exactly. This help? Oh, no. I'm kind of not feeling it. I'll check it out for a few days. Might have to get over to Hobby Lobby's, more than likely. I don't know if they still have these stems. I surely hope they do. I need at least one right here in the middle towards the back. Okay, so I think that makes for a very casual lamb entryway look for the winter. Okay, so I think that makes for a really nice casual wintry lamb look. I think if I add at least one more pine branch, these branches are these branches have pine needles, as you can see. Very short pine needles. So I think it will give me the right vibe if I add one more pine branch pick. Okay guys, so there you have it. I wanted to add a couple candles, but one thing about me, I do not use lighted candles. I like to use the battery operated candles. However, I had some really beautiful candles that are that waxy feel. Very pricey. Well, I won't say very pricey, but they were pricey. And I forgot to take the batteries out, and they exploded inside the candle battery holder. I am whew, trying to calm down because I have a mess to clean up. And now I'm going to give a close up of the reveal. And as you are watching, please let me know, does the candle work alongside the other decor pieces? I love the fact that I have two of them, and I consider the candle holders, which they're probably not candle holders, but that's what I will use them for sometimes, as I am today. They are versatile. I, hmm. One last thing I'm going to try. I like it better like this because it gives the candle some style, but I want to try it upside down. Like the other side. How we looking if I use it that way? Hmm. Hmm. I think I kind of like it that way as well. And I definitely have to get me another candle of that dimension because it fits so perfect when I turn it upside down to be used as a riser. Yes, I would love to have one either exactly that size or one that's taller. That would look so good together. What do you think? Please let me know in the comments. I would very much appreciate that. Now here's the close-up reveal. Okay, guys, well, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for hanging out with Brenda Lee. That's me. I thank you so much. I can never thank you enough. But I am truly grateful for all of you who take the time out of your day to stop by and watch my videos, to like, share, and subscribe and comment to my videos. I appreciate it.
all. And I surely hope that you stop by for the next video. Hopefully you saw something in this video that you can use for one of your spaces as you decorate for this winter season.